Guluhan lang. Sa case ng year 1, example English literature, we shall be doing oral narration, right? Every reading may oral narration. Then, in this case, how are we going to do the keeping? Should it be drawing narration like yung ginawa natin sa year O? Okay, ganito po yun, Ana. Grade 1, narration should be in place. Narration can vary, oral narration or drawing narration. It depends if your child, needs more assistance pa. If he can't verbalize it yet, maybe drawing it would help during those years. Eventually, the skill will be developed. The child will begin narrating better. And so yung keeping, think of keeping as an added activity to bind it all. It is not necessary. It is not necessary because the peak of learning is always in narration, di ba? Ang keeping po, kunwari, ganito. Kunwari, ang story is about, we read Beauty and the Beast, let's say for year 1. Okay? We read a portion of Beauty and the Beast, and so the child narrates it first verbally. And then in the afternoon, we try to relax, and all of my children will start drawing. And then she chooses to keep Beauty and the Beast. It's just a simple activity, and so she can draw it from her imagination, or she can also look at it in online what she can draw, and then she can just document what she read for the day and draw the Beauty and the Beast scene. Pero hindi po siya requirement. Naintindihan? It's just a way of, having another activity. Know that once you narrate it, tapos na po yun. Yun po. I hope that helps clarify things. Okay. So, pag na-oral narrate na siya, kung magdodraw siya, hindi na yun narration po. Parang added activity na lang siya. Pero kung kunwari, ang narration niya is drawing talaga, yun na rin po yun. Tapos na. Okay? So, keeping as a whole is just extra. It's just an activity that you can do together as a family to tie things in, to tie things in and have it documented in your notebooks. Yeah. There you go. So in a day, if let's say you have world history and you have English and then you have science, you don't need to keep all those. You don't need to draw from all of those. Sometimes you don't need to draw. Sometimes you call it a day and you're done because you already narrated it. But if you want to add an activity, okay, let's do some drawing. What do you want to draw today? Do you want to draw about what we read in science or in English or in history? So ganun po. Just pangpasaya lang po siya. Okay? Okay. We did copy work